Good morning, student. Welcome to the biology class. And today, in this video, I am going to start new chapter, the excretory system. In the last chapter, already we have studied about that, the circulatory system. In the circulatory system, the blood is circulate throughout our body and transport the important things like that nutrient, oxygen, transport to each and every parts of the body, as well as collect the harmful waste product which is produce some metabolic reaction. And in this lesson we have to study about that, the excretory system. The excretory system is a consist of the main part is a kidney, and in this lesson we have to detail study about that, the kidney and its function and its structure. First, let us see what is meant by excretion. Excretion, it is a process in which the removal of the harmful nitrogenous waste from the body. What is mean by excretion? Excretion means the process in which removal of harmful nitrogenous waste from the body. Nitrogenous waste are like urea, uric acid and ammonia. These are the nitrogenous waste, and these nitrogenous waste are produced in our body during the metabolic of proteins and other nitrogenous compound. And another also some waste product which are produced in our body, and it is also important to get rid of these waste product. Like that, another waste product is the carbon dioxide, nitrogenous waste and salt and bile pigment. These are the waste product which are formed in our body, and it is very important to eliminate throughout the body. First is the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is produced in our body through by the process of respiration. Last year I explained about that. The process of respiration, the oxygen is used to break down of the glucose, and the waste product is formed carbon dioxide and energy. This carbon dioxide is harmful to us, so it is very important to throw out from the body, and with the help of the lungs we can eliminate the carbon dioxide outside of the body. And next substance it is eliminated throughout our body, it is a nitrogenous waste. Nitrogenous waste is formed, see student, in our body is required the nutrient, whatever food we are eating, like that carbohydrate, fats and protein. The carbohydrates and fat is converted into the glucose, and excess glucose we can store as a glycogen. Whatever excess glucose is produced in our body, the liver, it is a store in the process of in the glycogen. Got it? But the protein, it is a convert into the amino acid, and it is also important, but excess amino acid we cannot accumulate in our body, and it is very important to excretate the excess amino acid throughout our body. And this amino acid is a nitrogenous base, means many nitrogenous product like urea, uric acid and ammonia which is formed from the protein, and these are very important to eliminate our body. And next substance is salt. Excess salt, it is also important to remove from the body. With the help of kidney we can remove the nitrogenous waste. Another next important substance is a bile pigment. The bile pigment is produced in the liver. The RBC cell is contain hemoglobin. You know that the lifespan of the RBC is 120 days. After finish and after destroy in the RBC in liver, and it is converted into the bile pigment, and it is harmful to us. So these bile pigments are very important to eliminate through our body. Got it student? What are the waste product which are formed in our body, and it is important to get rid of these harmful waste product. Let us see what is the organ is required for the excreted these waste product. These are the organs which is required for excreted the waste product. See, this is a lungs. We have a two lungs, and with the help of lungs we can excrete the carbon dioxide and water. While breathing, inhalation the oxygen, and exhalation the carbon dioxide, and we can excrete the carbon dioxide through by the lungs. Another excretory organ is the skin. In the skin have a sweat gland, and with the help of this sweat gland we can excrete the water, salt and small amount of urea. Basically, the skin is not excretory organ because we are sweating only when we require for the cooling, means it is the thermoregulation process. Through by we excrete the excess water, salt through by the skin. And another important part of the excretory organ is a liver. You know that the liver is the very large gland in our body, and it is a check post of our body. Excess glucose, it is stored as a glycogen. Excess amino acid, it convert into the urea, and through by the urine it is excreted out from the body, and whatever RBC cell which is destroyed in the liver, and these destroy is convert into the pigment. This is called as the bilirubin pigment, and these bilirubin pigment, due to this bilirubin pigment our faces is a yellowish brown in color, and through by the process of defecation we are excreted the bile pigment. Got it, student? And in the main part of the excretory system is the kidney. We have a two pair of kidney, and in this chapter we have two details study about that the kidney. Let us see the what is the actual external structure of the kidney, what is the part of the kidney. Let us see in the details. We have a pair of kidney. The size of the kidney is the 10 centimeter in length and 6 centimeter in width. The shape of the kidney is like a bean shaped kidney. Got it? What is the shape of kidney? The kidney shape is a bean shape, and the size of the kidney length is a 10 centimeter and width is a 6 centimeter. The location of the kidney, the both kidney are situated on the either side of the backbone, and it is also protected by the last two ribs. As compared to the left kidney, the right kidney is a lower in shape. Lower. Why? Because the adjustment of our internal organ. Got it, student? What is the structure? What is the shape of the kidney? What is the size of the kidney? And where it is located? Got it? And the main function of kidney to purification of blood. Purification means what? Whatever nitrogenous waste which is contained in the blood, with the help of kidney we can excrete throughout our body. See, student, the excretory system consists of two pair of kidney, two pair of ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. The renal artery and renal vein, means the renal word, I told you the renal word is belong for a kidney, means whatever blood vessel which is enter in the kidney, otherwise which is leaving from the kidney, this word is a renal word we use, renal artery and renal vein. The renal arteries are bring the impure blood from aorta and transfer into the kidney, the both kidney, and this kidney is a purification of blood. Purification of blood means whatever waste product like a nitrogenous waste, urea, uric acid, they are a means the kidney is a formation of urine, and this urine is passes from kidney to the urinary bladder through by urethra. We have a two kidney and two ureter. With the help of ureter, the urine is transferred from kidney to the urinary bladder, and urinary bladder is a store the urine, and with the help of urethra we can urination. Got it, student? And the pure blood is a transfer through by renal vein to the inferior vena cava, and inferior vena cava is transfer this blood to the heart, and again heart is oxygenated blood and transfer the pure blood to all parts of the body. Got it, student? Means the two pair of the kidney. The main function of the kidney is a purification of blood and formation of urine, and this urine is a transfer from kidney to the urinary bladder through by ureter. The ureter is a rise. There is a hilum. Hilum is the internal structure of the kidney, and the ureter is arise from hilum, and it is situated behind the urinary bladder. And this urine which is formed by the kidney is a transfer from kidney to the urinary bladder. There is a small structure in between the ureter and urinary bladder. This is called as the valves. With the help of these valves, we can prevent the backflow of the urine while contraction and relaxation of the urinary bladder. This is the very important part of the ureter. With the help of this part, this is called as the ureter valves, and these valves prevent the backflow of the urine to the kidney. And there is also present this muscle in near to the urethra. This muscle is called as the sphincter muscle, and with the help of this sphincter muscle, the urethra is opening, means relaxation and contraction of the urethra while the urination. Got it, student? What is the actual parts of the kidney and how does it work out? And next video I will explain about that what is the internal structure of the kidney and the nephron. What is the nephron? Nephron is the structural and functional unit of the kidney, and the nephron is the main part of the kidney which is the formation of urine. Got it, student? What is the structure of kidney and what is the function? The main function of the kidney to purification of blood, means whatever impure blood is enter into the renal artery. This renal artery is a transfer into the kidney. The kidney is a purification of blood and formation of the urine. This urine is transferred into the ureter to the urinary bladder, and in urinary bladder is passes this urine through by urethra. This is by the process of urination, and pure blood is a transfer through by the renal vein to the heart, and then heart is oxygenated the blood and transferred to all parts of the body. In that way we can excretate the waste product throughout our body. Got it, student? Thank you.